Hello everyone, from this clay dough we are going to show you how we can make a beautiful fish. Comb is also required. You can make use of some other type of the things. It depends on the pattern you try to make for the fins and the other area. This activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's move towards our another project. We have taken some of the strips of the clay that we have made and now we are going to convert them into beautiful pair of birds. It looks so nice. It's time to try to make some of the prawns. Prawns are the sea animals and some non-veg love to eat them. Today we are going to make these sea creatures using some of our hands and also some of the tools like the fork or we can see the spoon and some of the scissors. This activity is to be done minutely. You can pause the video so that you can focus at the each feature closely and you can monitor and try to make them perfectly. Let's move towards our another project. Here we are going to show you how we can create these little creatures using the clay. This activity is again very simple. You may require beads so that you can add features to this type of the creature. Add a crown using the red colored clay. This looks so perfect and easy. Just give it a try scissors or also be careful while you are cutting the wings using the scissors so that you don't get hurt. Using the modeling clay, we are going to show you how we can convert them into beautiful seashells. This activity is very simple. Just give it a try. Thank you for watching our videos.